I'm going to start with Oracle. It's trying to put to bed those concerns about, investing in AI and whether or not it's going to pay off. It seems like it's paying off for Oracle. So the stock is up about 10% here, pre-market. Reported strong sales for last quarter, issued an outlook that suggests little let up here in demand for AI computing. Revenue in Oracle's infrastructure business jumping to $4.9 billion in the quarter, surpassing estimates. And get this, the company's total revenue will reach $90 billion in the fiscal year, handily beating estimates.
It was down 61%. I did not know that. Yeah. That's crazy.
Well, Larry Ellison's doing deals. ChatGPT, OpenAI, Meta. Oracle's done deals with all of them.
Yep. So, also, ChatGPT, exactly, Meta, all of those things, big time, shoveling billions of dollars into these massive bets. And Wall Street seems to like it. The stock was down 23% year to date. I was surprised by that.
And I would say that the guests are sort of reinvigorated about AI, I would say, in the last 2 weeks.
Seems that way. Well, they're also, I think, focused on other things, right? So we're not
to
so...
say the least.
Yeah,
do you have a second stock this morning?
Of course I do. Campbell's, all right, down 5% here today, down 11.5% year to date. And in the past year, down 38%. Ouch. It's cut its profit outlook to the lowest in a decade.
This is a soup company.
Condensed soup company. That's correct.
But also a snacks company. They own a whole slew of snacks, pretzels, the little goldfish, kettle chips.
Excuse me. You mean Pepperidge Farm gold chips?
Pepperidge, yes.
They are my mother's favorite.
They're so good. The little mint ones.
She'd move them with an old fashioned like a pro. Continue.
There's a combination for you. So the snacks division missing expectations, primarily driven by declines in chips and pretzels. Also, supply constraints are related to fresh bakery and third-party partner brands. So this is impacting the company. And they also, are being impacted by the tariff situation and trying not to have to raise prices on consumers. So
10-year annualized return, negative 5.2% per year. Let me ask a question that was asked 10 years ago and 20 years ago, Damien. Mm-hmm. When does somebody put Campbell's soup out of their misery?
I don't know much about the company and what it owns. I didn't know that they actually own Pepperidge Farms, but the reality is I went to school with one of the heirs to the Dorrance family fortune.
Why am I shocked?
And back at Vanderbilt, and
he'd show up with cases of
he was a great dude. But listen, great company. It's certainly a consumer staple, I guess you would put it. Would you put it
for sure?
Yeah,
but you know what? They have to innovate, right? Because folks are just not eating this kind of food as much anymore, as we all look to healthier.
Revenue growth since 2024.
The last time you had a Big Mac.
Yeah, there's not much to get excited about, and I think that's part of the plan.
Do you have a can of Campbell's soup in your house?
Double digits.
You know what? I have cream of mushroom because I make that string bean casserole thingy, and you need the cream of mushroom to be in it. But I don't really.
You probably have cases of Hamburger Helper.
No, I do not.
Get one more in here.
Nebius up 10%. It's popping after Nvidia announced it's going to invest $2 billion in this AI cloud company. The announcement comes a week, of course, after Nvidia unveiled strategic partnerships with Lumentum and Coherent. So they just keep throwing money at AI. As part of this deal, these companies are going to collaborate on infrastructure, fleet management. Nvidia said the investment reflects its confidence in Nebius's business and engineering expertise. Wow, oh wow, right? What a cheerleader here for Nebius. And we're seeing the stock react in the pre-market.